Should we try for one of these? Let's try for one of these. Hey, what's up guys? We're here at the arcade. We're going to try and win some plushies. Maybe we'll play a couple arcade games. Let's go see what we can win. Start with these guys right here. Maybe we can win ourselves a Hulk. That'd be epic, right? It's pretty good. Oh, it's weak. It's weak, guys. Try this guy right here. Let's try and win Iron Man. No. Try and win Luigi here. See if we can win him. It's pretty good. Come on, grab him. Get him. Grab. Oh, it didn't even close. I don't know. This thing doesn't like to move very well. Look at that. It stabs. Let's try for one of these looking chicks. These goofy looking chicks. I don't know what they are. Shimmer and shine. Okay. I'll shimmer and shine if I win. Oh man, wasn't even close. That's not bad. Get it? Get it? Oh, we had the chick by the leg. By the leg. Let's try for her again. All right. And it just, I don't know. Maybe we'll get that. Get the monkey. Oh, we had the monkey. Goofy. Going for the monkey. Hold on to it. Hold it. Hold it. Guys, we got the monkey. There we go. We got the monkey. Come on, chick. Nah, we didn't win, but we did win the monkey. It's like something out of a Disney movie. Probably not gettable, but let's go for one of these little Yoshi guys right here. For some reason I really want one. Go for this one right here. Get him. Oh, I want a blue Yoshi. Alright, we'll go for this one. Probably our best bet, but it's not going to get it. Yeah, it's weak. This guy, PJ Masks. Never seen this before, but we'll try for it. These are weak today. Let's try for this one right here next to this chute. Maybe we can just grab it enough to drop it in. Now, try that one again. I have a good feeling about this one right here. Just a hunch that I can get it. Oh, so close. Try it again. There we go, we got him. Told you we would get him. Whoever this guy is. Pretty cool. Okay, so I need my money. Great. Go for one of these little dogs in the purse. Go for this one right here. It's laying sideways. Oh. Maybe we should go for that one right there. Back there with the hook. Try and hook it. Ooh, almost. Try it again. Try and get this right down in there. That'd be nice. Should we try for one of these? Let's try for one of these. Mystery cube. What's inside the mystery cube? You can win a Wii U, a Nintendo Switch, or there's a plushie inside there. Stabbed. It's stabbed. It's gonna weaken up anyway. Even if you grab it, weaken up. See, got it? Nah. Just drops it. Not ready to pay out yet. Try it again. I'm gonna waste all my credits on this, but just try. Maybe we'll get lucky. We'd end up winning a plushie anyway. Now we got one more try on this. Try it again. Nope. Oh well. This guy. He's a cool dude, man. He's a cool dude. I want to win him. Oh, so close. We're back. Get him. Get him. Get him. Try it again. Go for Elmo. Red Elmo. Traditional red Elmo. Get him? Hold him? It won't hold. It won't hold. Come on. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him. Oh! I think we wedged him. Finish up here trying to win a big, it's our last play, trying to win a big Donkey Kong. In my dreams. That's all I can say, in my dreams. I wish. It would be nice. Get him, get him, hold on to him. No, not weak. Oh well. So I did end up winning this Disney looking monkey thing, whatever it is. Pretty cool. And I won this PJ Masks Catboy guy, whatever he is. So I'm here in the Caribbean. Not really. But I lost. Sometimes you lose. I won these two, as you just saw, but whatever. If you did enjoy this video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'm ClawBoss, and this old boy says he's out. I'm out. Later.